Today we have discussed about the syllabus of BTech first year semester 2 AAS 203C. The subject name is Calculus, Laplace Transform and Numerical Technique. This is the 4 credit subject. Now course outcome is development the ability to solve differential equation using series, method and special function application to engineering problem. Now the second is introduce Laplace and Fourier transform technique to analyze differential equation and signal processing application. Build a strong foundation in complex variable theory and its application in engineering and applied science. The fourth is understand the concept of sequence and series, convergence test, and their role in mathematics modeling. Five is enable students to apply advanced mathematics techniques to solve real world problems in computer science, electronics communication, and engineering. This is the course outcome. Now proceed from the basic course content of Unit 1. Series solution and special function. इसमें क्या है ordinary and singular point series solution about an ordinary point solution of equation by Frobenius method to solve second order linear differential equation, formation of integral equation, determination of integral roots, case of integral roots, distinct root, equal roots, roots differ by an integral and not differ by an integral. Their application is fluid mechanics, quantum mechanics, wave equation, heat transfer, solving electromagnetic field equation. This is again very interesting but little bit tough. Now the second unit is Laplace transformation. In Laplace transformation, we have studied the definition of Laplace transformation, instructions, conditions, linearity property, Laplace transformation of some standard function, first and second shifting theorem, change of scale property, Laplace transformation of derivative and integral, periodic function, unit step function, inverse Laplace transform, partial fraction method, convolution theorem. Again, convolution theorem is very important without proof. Application of Laplace transform to solve ordinary differential equation. Their application is transform function determination, circuit equation, step response. Now proceed from unit 3. Unit 3 is Fourier series and Fourier transform. This is again very important chapter and easy chapter also. Periodic function, even and odd function, Dirichlet condition for the existence of Fourier series explanation of an function in the interval c to c plus 2l, change of interval, half range series, half range sine and cosine series in interval minus l to l, Parseval identity, Fourier integral theorem, Fourier transform, inverse Fourier transform, finite Fourier sine and cosine transform. Their application is computer graphics, cyber security, digital image processing, machine learning features, extracting image comprehension. Now unit 4 is complex analysis. This is again complex. Their name is also complex analysis. Function of complex variable, limit continuity and differentiability, analytic function, Cauchy-Riemann equation. Again, this is very important, Cauchy-Riemann equation. Cartesian and polar form. Harmonic function, Millian theorem, Millian-Thomson method, complex integral, Cauchy integral theorem विदाउट प्रूफ है तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. Cauchy integral formula विदाउट प्रूफ है भी है. Taylor series and Lagrange series. Singularities, residues of an function, Cauchy residues theorem, evaluating the real defined integral, and their application in network theorem, electromagnetic wave transmission line. This is a use of complex analysis. Now proceed from the unit 5. Unit 5 is sequence and series. In sequence and series have definition of sequence, monotonic sequence, convergence and divergence sequence, Cauchy sequence, necessary condition for convergence, test of convergence, comparison test, ratio test, Rabi test, algorithmic test, application discrete time signal representation. Again,